Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are well and also doing well. Keep it up. So, today we are going to start our day with this beautiful quote. Every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. We know that every day is not good. May Maybe you feel that today your day is not good, but there is something good in every day. कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ज़रूर होता है. Today we are going to discuss about the poem of Unit 7, Topsy Turvy Land. Topsy Turvy Land. What is Topsy Turvy Land? Have you ever heard about this? No. So let me tell you about Topsy Turvy Land. Here in this picture, you are seeing some things which are not in a proper way. Like the bag is kept on the bed, it should not be there. The shoes is kept in one side, the books are thrown on the floor, pencil, pen, etc. on the chairs. Nothing is on the proper place. Sometimes you also feel when your mother scold you for not keeping your things properly. You leave your things here and there. When you come back from the school, you change your uniform and you throw it like this only. Same happens in the topsy-turvy land. In topsy-turvy land, everything is opposite, just opposite as what happened on our land. Our land means like we walk on the roads. But in topsy-turvy land, the people walks the buses and the like rickshaw, scooter walks on the water. People didn't walk on their feet, they walk on their head. Generally, on our land, we wear the hats on our head, but in topsy-turvy land, the people wear hats on their feet. The children go to the school by boats sailing on the streets. This is all happens in the topsy-turvy land. Let me read the poem and listen carefully, and then you will learn the poem, and later we will do all the word meanings. There is no difficult word in the chapter. I'm not going to do the difficult words. You have to draw a beautiful picture and then you will start with the word meanings. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. देखो सी कैसा बना हुआ है, सैंड का, जबकि सी कैसा होता है, वाटर का. The children go to the school by night in the topsy-turvy land. बच्चे रात में स्कूल जाते हैं, but what happened actually कि we go to the school in the morning, because topsy-turvy land is a place where everything happens just opposite or our land. Whatever happens in our land, everything is opposite of our land. In front door, step at the back, you are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. The buses on the sea you will meet while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand when you you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. See, everything is happening just opposite of our land, and the poet of this poem is H.E. Wilkinson. Okay, and you have to learn all the poets of the chapters. Only 3 word meanings are here, and you have to write these in your notebook. Topsy-turvy land, upside down. Everything is upside down, means ulta pulta. Pleasure, feeling of enjoyment. Grand, very big or great fun. Here it is great fun. Okay. Question answers. When do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? In topsy-turvy land, children go to school at night. Next, this you will not write. Okay. Next, question number 2. In the poem, if the buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? How should it rightly be? In the poem, boats travel in the street. They should travel. Because where the buses travel? They travel in the street. In the poem, boats travel in the street, while the buses should travel on the street. They should travel on the sea. Okay. As I told you earlier, that this question number 3, you have to write in the book only. You will fill in the book, and all I have told you. People walk on their heads. On our land, people walk on their feet. The buses run on the water. In topsy-turvy land, the buses travel on the water, while in our land, the buses run on the land. They wear hats on their feet, while in our land, the people wear hats on their head. Boats sail on the roads, and you know that boats sail in the sea. Next is, people pay for what they didn't get. कि लोग उसके लिए पे करते हैं जो कि उन्होंने लिया ही नहीं, जो उन्हें मिला ही नहीं. While on our land, people pay for what they get. हमारी जो लैंड है उसमें लोग वही पे करते हैं जो चीज़ वो खरीदते हैं. This question you will do in your. So thank you everyone. God bless you all. Please watch the video carefully and then do all the work you have given in the PDF I have sent you. You have to write all the work from the PDF neatly in your notebooks.